cuties, welcome back to my channel Sony's World. How you all doing? Hope you all doing great. I'm back with another video. So today I'm gonna show you some summer cute night dresses for you guys. So are you excited? I'm so excited to show you. So yeah, let's get started. Guys, total we have 4 night dresses with me today. So first one I'm gonna show you is this beautiful and cute powder blue color night dress. Oh my god, look at the print. The clouds are so cute. The clouds and stars, which is perfect for night time, and I am so obsessed with these cute night dresses and stuff. If you're obsessed, you will love this video. This is the first one. So we have a little pocket over here, and the cloth is so smooth, guys. Trust me, it is so smooth and so affordable price. So I just love the quality. The quality is amazing, the print is amazing, and everything is good and so soft. And we have a shirt with this one. Look at it. So I ordered in the size medium. So yeah, so this is short. Look at the short. This is so cute. And we have pocket. So we have pocket for the short also, which is very good and very impressive. And the cloth is so smooth, like a body hugging cloth. I just love it, and the color is so amazing and so cute. So I'm gonna mention all the prices on the screen. Also I will give all the links in the description box, so check it out. Color, I love the print, everything. This is so amazing. Next we have one more pretty night suit, which is this one. Look at it. Oh my god, it's so amazing. The purpley and lavender shade is just amazing, like a Pinteresty vibes. And look at the print. The hearts are very good, and the smooth quality. Oh my god, it's so amazing, so smooth and so comfortable. So if you are wearing this in nights, you need comfort, right, to sleep. So these night suits are so comfortable and so amazing. I just love it, with just affordable prices. So this is also in the size medium, and look at the pocket. We have pocket here and the hands detailing, and the quality is amazing, and the smoothness is amazing. Everything is amazing. It's like a body hugging. Again, we have short with this one. So look at this. So this is a short, and the print is so cute. I just love it. So here, this is the pocket. This is just so good and so amazing. The print, the quality, and everything is amazing. So this is the second night suit. And third night suit, which is so cute, so pretty, in the pink color, which is my favorite. So this one. Oh my god, look at the print, guys. It is so amazing. Look at this one. It's in like a pink peach vibes. So I just love it. The print is so summery, which is very good, which is so comfortable yet so pretty. So I just love this one. So this is also same smoothness, same quality, and we also have pocket here, which is the best part. I just love the quality. Everything is so amazing. The price is also very affordable, and just go for it, guys. This summer you need some shorts and cute night dresses for yourself. So go and buy yourself right now. So this is for top, and we have short again. So I ordered 3 night suits with shorts only, because summer it's so hot, so we need some shorts, but that should be cute, right? So yeah, this is a short. Again, we have pocket for this, and look at the qualities. The quality is so amazing. I'm amazed with this quality from Meesho. So I just love the quality, everything, which is so comfortable, so body hugging. Just love. Last night suit for this haul is this one. I'm little bit of disappointed about this one. Earlier I showed 3 night suits which are very cute, very pretty, and the quality is amazing, exactly perfect for this summer. You should get them. But this is little bit disappointment. So this is basically a top, like a tank top, which is very transparent and very loose. So look at it. We have here, you can tie this but I think if you tight this, it will get shape out in the back side, I guess. So, but yeah, it's amazing. I just love the black. So you can wear it whatever in the home, right? Nobody sees us, so comfort is first place. So yeah, this is a little bit of transparent, you can see through, so you have to wear something black again inside. So this is for the top. I didn't like the smell of this. So yeah, the quality is also very smooth, like a satin night dress. I just love it. So this is very smooth. And for the pants, we have a long pants for this one, and it's a simple black, plain black pant, and we have white line here in the leg part down there. So yeah, this is so amazing. The quality is so smooth, and yeah, the black color is pretty against. That's it for the video, guys. These are some cute and summery night suits for you from Meesho, so you will love it. Definitely buy them. So go right now, buy yourself, and enjoy this summer in the cute comfy suits in the night time. So yeah, I'll give you all the links in the description box. Please do check out and buy yourself. Bye bye. I'll see you in the next video. Lots of love.